Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the first ever vlog I'm doing today and it's all about organization of kitchen and fridge. Kitchen is something we use it every day and hence it needs to be super organized in order to keep everything handy. So come along with me and let's have a sneak peek into my kitchen. The kitchen is not spacious though, it's very small. So when you enter the kitchen, I have this foldable dining table. As I mentioned you earlier, it's not spacious, so we have taken a foldable dining table with 2 chairs and my baby sits on the high chairs. And next to that, I have laundry baskets, and the below one is for me and my husband, the upper one is for my baby, of course. If we see behind that, just bear with me, let me keep it over here. If you see behind that, that's for the high chair. That's his seat for the high chair. This is for my mail or newspaper. And over here, there's some detergent. And up there, I have kept some sprays for my kitchen and washing. Coming back here, so that's my sink area, which I always tend to keep empty. Below, I have my washing machine, and over there, I have my pots and pans. So above this we have a cabinet and I have made a good use of that. So being an Indian, we eat a lot of lentils, so I have all my lentils over here in jars. I have kept some dry fruits here. I have some noodles kept up, and over here I have some few of the masalas again. If you go on the top, you can see again there's a corn flour, that's masala, that's more masala. And that's all the canteens over there. You can see pastas, you can see noodles and everything. It's on the upper shelf. Coming back, I have my stove top over here, and above I have like 2 more cabinets, and below I have cabinets as well. I have kept some like the daily used items over here. For tea, I have used canisters. So all my tea bags are in there. And that's my one more cabinet. So if you open this, again I have stored everything. And all my Indian spices are over here, followed by the upper cabinet. And all the extras one I keep here on the 3rd level. So down I have one more cabinet. So we have like 2 sections over here in this cabinet. So below I have kept some rice. I have extra papadums over there, and I have extra kettle over here, and I have kept my panini over there. Above it's flour. Okay, this is a wheat flour and that's an all-purpose flour. This is the dry fruit mixture which I eat, obviously, which I consume. That's a chickpea flour backside, and that's a rice flour. I have kept my containers, glass containers over here used to bake. Above is some extra containers. I have kept my extra pots from IKEA over here. Back is my extra masalas again, and I have oats in here, and this is fresh rice, and I have all the ready-made packets over here. This is for the savories, this is for the desserts. And then coming over here, I stack up my baby's high chair in there. There's a space in there. And coming to my fridge, that's my cooling or heating pad. There's a milk in there. I keep my bread packets over here. I know I'm weird. My tonics, my sauces and everything, my maple syrup is in there. Most of the time you'll find my vegetable bins empty because they're all chopped, cutted it, and it just kept in over here. I got these containers from IKEA. That's all. Do let me know in the comment section below how exactly you organize your kitchen, and see you next time. Until then, take care. Goodbye.